Wi-Fi not connecting? This video provides complete guidance from initial setup to troubleshooting. Before starting, make sure your device is eco-worthy compatible and has a communication port. Also ensure the controller or inverter is powered on. Plug the data logger into the RJ45 communication port. Solid green light means power is normal. Blinking blue light means communication is working. No green light means no power or incompatibility. Green light only means communication is not established. If blue light blinks but no data appears, restart the app. Download the eco-worthy app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, register, and log in. Tap the plus icon to add a device, or scan the code on the back of the data logger. Select the correct data logger model from the list. Enter the 4-digit code below the QR code. After connection, you can view real-time data and device status. The data logger supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Tap the settings icon, then select Wi-Fi setup. Enter your Wi-Fi username and password, then refresh the homepage to confirm the connection. If your data logger Wi-Fi is not connecting, follow the steps below to troubleshoot. Step 1. Confirm you are logged into the app. Make sure you are registered and logged into the app before setting up Wi-Fi. Check whether your Wi-Fi name or password contains special characters like commas. We recommend using letters and numbers only for Wi-Fi credentials. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi band. The data logger supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. 5G is not supported. Please enable and connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network on your router. Step 3. Check security type. WPA3 or WPA2/3 security may prevent connection. Set Wi-Fi security to WPA2 and disable AP isolation if enabled. Step 4. Check firmware. If the issue persists, check whether a firmware update is required. Connect via Bluetooth first, then tap the settings icon. Enter the firmware update page. Press and hold the upgrade button for about 3 seconds. Return to the app and tap Install to complete the update. Power interruption will cause update failure. Restart the update if this occurs. Most Wi-Fi connection issues can be resolved after these steps. If the issue remains, please contact Amazon customer support.